Afternoon, guys. I'm Dave Canterbury with Self-Reliance Outfitters in the Pathfinder School. Pretty windy out here today in the shop. Hope it's not affecting this too much. I don't have my dead cat mic on here right now, so I'm gonna have to deal with it. I got it packed up right now from the brew out bushwhack, and I haven't unpacked everything yet. But I wanted to show you a video today, real quick, on how to make your own Scotch-eyed auger. What we've done is we've taken a auger bit, a 3/4 inch auger bit that was purchased off Amazon. And this is a Hitachi 3/4 inch auger bit. And then I've got a piece of pipe that I purchased that's just regular cold rolled steel pipe, 1 inch ID. I've cut a piece of that and ground the edges down so that they're smooth. And I'm going to attach that to this by welding it to make a Scotch-eyed auger. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to chamfer this first. I'm going to recess this with a drill bit so that this drops down inside a little bit to give myself a better weld. Then we're going to weld these two pieces together and we'll have a Scotch-eyed auger. Pretty simple process. Stay with me. Okay, so here's what we got. It's not the most beautiful weld on the planet, but it's definitely structurally sound. And we've got a tomahawk handle here. It's been carved down so that it can be used for tool heads as well as a T-handle. We should be able to just get this thing started in the wood until it self-grabs. All right, guys, there you go. Simple Scotch-eyed auger. Took me about 15 minutes to make that. Pretty simple. You just got to find the pieces and parts, put one together yourself, and you'll have your own Scotch-eyed auger for your kit as well.